Hello! In this screencast, I'm going to demonstrate a simple stream transformation. So I'm going to write a script that consumes an event stream and that will emit a new stream where each message is the time between pairs of messages in the inbound stream. I'm using Python 2.7 and the bash shell in OS X. Our Python process must extract the time from the current message, compare it to the time of the previous message, and then we're going to emit the difference. So let's begin. So let's start by forever loading the JSON on the inbound stream. So let's get the line. And then pass it. So for this, we need to import JSON and import sys. And then let's just go ahead and form the delta, which is the time between the messages, assuming that we have access to the time of the last message. So we want to take the time of the current message, which is in a key called t, and remove the time of the last message from that. Let's go ahead and initialize the last message. And then we'll do a quick check. So if the last variable is equal to 0, then all we can do is update the last variable to equal the timestamp of the current message, and then skip the rest of this message, waiting for the next one. So now this delta should work, so all we need to do is print it out into a message. So let's print this with some JSON, as always. So we'll keep the timestamp, and we will also output the delta. Finally, we need to remember to update the last message. So last here equals dt. Okay, so let's run this in a terminal using our Prasom process that we've made in a previous screencast as a source of data. So let's just run the Poisson example from the previous screencast just to remind ourselves what it looks like. Here it is. We expect to see one message roughly every 2 seconds. Now we can pipe that into our diff Python script. So hopefully what we're expecting to see here is JSON with the timestamp, but also the time since the previous message. So let's take a look and see what happens. Okay, so as it goes through, hopefully we'll see these deltas be distributed around 2 seconds as they come through. Okay. So now, for every message in our inbound stream, we have a new message that says how long it's been since the last message.